I wanted to make a short video this morning about Pinecone. If you've watched some of my more recent videos, I do talk about using the Pinecone vector store or database, however you want to think of it. And so on their website, they announced here that they've raised $100 million in Series B funding to provide the long-term memory for AI. And we'll go ahead and take a look at that article in a little bit more detail. But if you haven't used Pinecone or you're looking for something to help you with your AI projects, you may want to take a look at Pinecone. So let's go back to the $100 million in Series B funding article here. So this is from the founder and CEO, just talking about how exciting it is that they've raised this new Series B funding, and it brings their valuation to $750 million, hitting another milestone in their journey to revolutionize how AI applications are built. They introduced their vector database in 2021, and their innovative technology and rapid growth have disrupted the $9 billion search infrastructure market and made them a critical component of the fast-growing $110 billion generative AI market. Pinecone's vector database enables engineers to work with data generated and consumed by large language models, LLMs, and other AI models, making it an essential infrastructure technology for building scalable or reliable and accurate AI products. The rise of generative AI propelled Pinecone to become an integral part of the software stack for AI applications. In Q1 2023, they experienced explosive growth in AI developers and innovations building amazing applications on Pinecone's free plan. And that is the plan that I've been using so far. We also saw a massive increase in paying customers across all industries and sizes. Shopify, Gong, HubSpot, and Zapier. Our success is a testament to the growing demand for AI infrastructure and our ability to provide scalable solutions to the most pressing challenges in the field. Pinecone's mission is to provide the long-term memory for AI, and we are well on our way to achieving that. Their self-onboarding product, efficient growth engine, and world-class team are here to power the next wave of AI-powered innovation. They are excited to support the fundamental shifts in the way companies approach data management in the era of AI. They look to the future. They're filled with optimism and confidence. Pinecone is at the forefront of the AI revolution, and they are committed to empowering developers with the tools they need to build groundbreaking AI applications that will transform industries and improve lives. So I think it's really exciting news. If you haven't used this tool before, you may want to take a look at it. And it's just great to know they are receiving this type of funding to help grow their services and applications and make things better and more powerful for us to use as developers. I also pulled up an article here about what is a vector database from the Pinecone website. So Pinecone is a vector database that makes it easy for developers to add vector search features to their applications using just an API. You can try it now by signing up for a free account to see it for yourself. As they mention here, complex data is growing at breakneck speeds. These are unstructured forms of data that include documents, images, videos, and plain text on the web. Many organizations would benefit from storing and analyzing complex data, but complex data can be difficult for traditional databases built with structured data in mind. Classifying complex data with keywords and metadata alone may be insufficient to fully represent all of its various characteristics. Fortunately, machine learning (ML) techniques can offer a far more helpful representation of complex data by transforming it into vector embeddings. Vector embeddings describe complex data objects as numerical or numeric values in hundreds or thousands of different dimensions. Many technologies exist for building vectors, ranging from vector representations of words or sentences to cross-media text, images, audio, and video. Vector databases are purpose-built to handle the unique structure of vector embeddings. They index vectors for easy search and retrieval by comparing values and finding those that are most similar to one another. They are, however, difficult to implement. Until now, vector databases have been reserved for only a handful of tech giants that have the resources to develop and manage them. Unless properly calibrated, they may not provide the performance users require without costing a fortune. Using a well-constructed vector database gives your application superior search capabilities while also meeting performance and cost goals. There are several solutions available to make it easier to implement. These solutions range from plugins and open source projects to fully managed services that handle security, availability, and performance. So further in this document, it will describe the common uses of vector databases, core components, and how to get started. Of course, you can do all of this by signing up for a free account with Pinecone, as I've done in some of my more recent videos and pieces of software, and get started and enjoy the benefits of not having to worry about all that infrastructure. So I just wanted to point this out in case you've never used this particular piece of software, and to learn a little bit more about it, go to this article on the Pinecone website. Here is a good list of the things you can do with vector search. And specifically, I'm looking at generation for chat box, text generation, analytics, machine learning, personalization. So they explain here, once you have vector embeddings, you can manage and search through them in Pinecone to power your semantic search, recommenders, and other applications that rely on relevant information retrieval. So if we take a look at their page here, vector embeddings, I won't go through this in detail. However, they're talking about how this vector embeddings are one of the most fascinating and useful concepts in machine learning. And they're central to natural language processing, NLPs. And so we can look at NLP, natural language processing. It's an interdisciplinary subfield of linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence, concerned with the interactions between computers and human language, in particular, how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. So this is a really great article talking about the vector embeddings and goes into a lot of details. So you may want to take a look at that article. And here, using vector embeddings, how they can represent an object as a dense vector that contains its semantic information, makes them very useful for a wide range of ML applications. So let's scroll back down here on the main page. Trusted by thousands of engineering teams building AI applications. You can see all that information there. Why use Pinecone? It's fast, fresh, filtered vector search. Ultra low latency, even with billions of items. Gives users a great experience. Live index updates when you add, edit, or delete your data. Your data is ready right away. Filtered. Combine vector search with metadata filters for more relevant and faster results. Integration. Supercharge your AI stack. You can see some large companies there listed. Managed vector database. So as you know, this is a cloud-based service. I'm currently using the free version. However, there are pricing options listed. We can pull that up here. You can see the list, the starter plan, which is what I'm using, and then the standard plan starting at $70 a month and enterprise, and you have to click on the view pricing details to see what the base price is per hour, the pod size, and the approximate capacity in vectors. So if you're looking at needing it for a more production application, you should check that out. So what else do we have here? Launch, use, and scale your vector search service with our easy API without worrying about infrastructure or algorithms. We'll keep it running smoothly and securely. It's production ready. Easy to use. Get started on the free plan with an easy-to-use API or the Python client. It's scalable from 0 to billions of items with no downtime and minimal latency impact. Pay for what you use. Start free, like I have, then pay for only what you use with usage-based pricing. No ops overhead. No need to maintain infrastructure, monitor services, or troubleshoot algorithms. It's reliable. It's a cloud provider. You can choose your region, and they take care of the uptime, consistency, and all the rest. And it's secure, SOC 2, Type 2 certified, GDPR ready, and built to keep data secure. So there you go. Just again wanted to mention the exciting news about the new round of funding for Pinecone and some of the features and capabilities of this tool. So again, I thank you for watching my videos. Have a good day, and I will talk to you in the next video. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.